North Kosovo, also known as the Aba Kolasin, is a region in the northern part of Kosovo, composed of 4 municipalities with ethnic Kosovo Serbs majority: North Mitrovica, Leposavić, Đakovo and Zubin Potok. Prior to the 2013 Brussels Agreement, the region functioned independently from the institutions in Kosovo, as they refused to acknowledge and recognize the independence of Kosovo. Declared in 2008, the government of Kosovo opposed any kind of parallel government for Serbs in this region. However, the parallel structures were all abolished by the Brussels Agreement, signed between the governments of Kosovo and Serbia. Both governments agreed upon creating a community of Serb municipalities. The association was expected to be officially formed in 2016. According to the agreement, its assembly will have no legislative authority and the judicial authorities will be integrated and operate within the Kosovo legal framework. Political wrangling over Kosovo's status between its government and Serbia and has resulted in Kosovan authorities not allowing the formation of the community. However, differences remain and North Kosovo remains de facto Serbian rule. Following Kosovo's declaration of independence in 2008, Serbs put together the Assembly of the Community of Municipalities, elected on the 11th of May and called by the government of Serbia. The assembly was composed by 45 representatives. The North Kosovo Serbs had taken a consistently hard line, refusing to cooperate with the government in Pristina or to take up their seats in the Assembly of Kosovo. Their stance was encouraged by the Serbian government of Vojislav Koštunica and they remained in control of this area with their own structures. Sarpijska Lista leader Oliver Ivanović and other Kosovo Serb leaders had expressed increasing frustration at Belgrade's approach and have voiced their support for a more moderate stance, speaking openly of rejoining the Assembly of Kosovo and taking part in its government. This line has proved highly controversial, as many Kosovo Serbs reject any compromise. In February 2004, Ivanovic's car was destroyed by a bomb explosion outside his home in Mitrovica. The Serbian government, the Serbian list, the government of Kosovo and the United Nations all officially oppose the separation of North Kosovo. However, many Serbs in the region were adamantly opposed to living under the rule of an Albanian majority provincial government and rejected an independent Kosovo. Ivanović has spoken out against partition, pointing out that more than 60,000 of the Serb population of Kosovo lives south of the Aba, and that all of the important cultural and economic assets of the Kosovo Serbs are in the south of Kosovo. In 2011, former president of Kosovo Begjet Pakali crossed into the northern part of Mitrovica. It marked the first time that a high-ranking Republic of Kosovo official visited northern Kosovo. Such a symbolic gesture was accompanied by a heavy security presence. In early 2013, the Prime Minister of Serbia Ivica Dačić encouraged all Serbs to participate in Kosovo elections. The vast majority of Serbs turned out in large numbers to participate in elections held by the Kosovo government with symbols of the Republic of Kosovo Central Elections Commission on the ballot. With the signatory of the Brussels Agreement, Serbia officially dropped its support for the assembly and the parallel structures in northern Kosovo. Both governments of Kosovo and Serbia agreed upon creating the Community of Serb Municipalities. According to the agreement, its assembly will have no legislative authority and the judicial authorities will be integrated and operate within the Kosovo legal framework. There will be one police force in Kosovo called the Kosovo Police. All police in northern Kosovo shall be integrated into the Kosovo Police framework. Salaries will solely be paid by the KP. The appellate court in Pristina will establish a panel composed of a majority of Kosovo Serbs judges to deal with all Kosovo Serb majority municipalities. As the final stage of dialogue between Serbia and Kosovo is approaching, various officials from Serbia have stated that the partition of Kosovo, with Serbia getting North Kosovo, is the best solution. President of Serbia Aleksandar Vučić said on the 9th of August that he is for the division of Kosovo. The same could be heard from Minister of Foreign Affairs Ivica Dačić and Defense Minister Aleksandar Vulin. Some Albanian politicians stated that the exchange of territories may be the solution of the Serbia-Kosovo dispute, although many others rejected this proposal. North Kosovo consists of 4 municipalities: Leposavić, Gjevken, Zubin Potok and North Mitrovica. It covers 1,007 square kilometers, or 9.97% of Kosovo's land area. Owing to its border with Serbia proper, North Kosovo is not, strictly speaking, a Serb enclave or Serb exclave. Before the Kosovo War, the area was predominantly inhabited by Serbs, with a substantial Kosovo Albanians.